Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to INFINITE FLIGT Great Gameplay. My name is Andrew, and today we are flying the Cessna Citation X. It is a this is a private jet, as you can see. It is small. It is not an actual airliner, but it is small, but it is a private jet. So this is library 4, I think. I think there is 8 libraries. I'm thinking. So this is the 4th library or livery. I think it's called livery. If you leave in the comments if it's livery. If it's not livery, then it's livery. Then so. It's a Sunday today. Today is September 24th, 2017. We are playing Infinite Flight live. So there's a plane right there. A330. And there's some more over there on that side. So. I like this library better than any other library. So we're going to put it on the intercom what we're doing. The wingspan is pretty wide on this plane. It is pretty wide if you look at it closely. See that? How wide it is? Wide, not white. Wide. Pretty wide, but it goes pretty fast, actually. It's faster than the 717 because it's smaller. The engines are much bigger. So this is LAX International Airport. It is noon time. So I don't know how. I think I got like 10 days left on the Infinite Flight Live. So I think I got 10 days on Infinite Flight Live. I'm not too sure. I'll have to check in. But if I don't have 10 days left, and I got like 15 days left, so I'm going to be doing some more videos on Infinite Flight Live as much as I can. You still recording? Yes, you are. So hopefully I have 15 days left, because I'd like to do more videos on Infinite Flight Live than what I do now, because I think this is much fun. This is more funner than just flying solo by yourself. And I think that if you fly solo, yes, there's less traffic, and yes, you get the whole airport to yourself, but I just think that this is like real time. This is real time. Like, there's actual planes at the airport. There's more action going on than just by yourself, and just kind of have to pretend that the airplanes are there. Like, they're taking off on the runways, and they're taxiing to the runways, and they're doing all that. So sometimes you just have to pretend and think that the airplanes were there. And that's alright, because that's fine. That's so. Oh, whoa, whoa, what was that? Did you see that airplane? Wow, that was something. I think that was one of the F-22s, I think. Is this 7 or 8? Yes.
Los Angeles Unicom, American 107 flight of 3 is taking off runway 07 right, departing straight out.
To calibrate. I don't need to calibrate. We're good. Takeoffs are actually pretty nice on this airplane. They are not too smooth. They're not too. They're just perfect. I don't know how to explain it. Let's put autopilot on. I haven't flown this jet in years. I haven't flown this jet in 2 years. I really don't like the Cessna Citation X, but I think it's a good plane. I think it's nice, small, but it'll work. Alright, so let's do our normal review. The tail. And here is the cockpit. It is small. Yes, it is. But you have tons of legroom there. And the cockpit is so realistic. There's no top, there's no door there. I don't know why there's no door, but anyway, it's just realistic. All the graphics down here are realistic. Cup holders, emergency, or your quick emitters here. So to the outside, wingspan is wide. Engines are long. Here is the left side of the wing. Here's the right side of the wing. Here's the engine. There's the camera view that I like the most. Airplanes having a party down there? Wow, I guess they are. Why are you descending so much? Jeez Louise. So, I'm going to be starting a new channel. Or not a new channel, but a new series of videos. And that's going to be... The new channel is going to be... testing. Like, let's say we take off with our flaps 30 when you're supposed to be landing with 30. Let's say you take off at a speed of 380 knots. What will it do? Let's say we stall our airplane and then we try to fly. What's that going to do? So, and I already know what's going to happen, because I've been playing this game for 5 years, and I already know what's going to happen. So, you guys are going to know what's going to happen. So, it takes a lot of practice to fly, and I know this is not my first time flying. I've flown many times in my life, so this is the Cessna Citation X. You can kind of see through there a little bit. See there, just a little bit. See the seats in there. You can see through there a little bit. It's kind of darker on this side. Let's go to this side. But you can kind of see through there a little bit. See there, you see through the other side. So, yeah, you can kind of see the seats in there. So, alrighty guys, this is the Cessna Citation X. And hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. So I'm going to be starting this new testing next week. Hopefully. If I don't, then it'll be sometime the week after that. So, alrighty guys, this is the Cessna Citation X. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you and goodbye.